Scene script. Ever wondered how businesses reach out to you online? The answer is digital marketing. Let's dive right in, shall we? Digital marketing in its simplest form is the promotion of products or brands via one or more forms of electronic media. It's the strategies and tactics businesses use to connect with customers where they spend a considerable amount of their time, online. Imagine the internet as a vast, bustling market filled with countless stalls. Each stall is a website and each vendor is vying for the attention of the passers-by. Digital marketing is the loudspeaker that these vendors use to draw attention to their stalls. It's the signboard, the free samples, the attractive discount offers, pretty much every tactic used to lure in customers. Now you might ask, how is this different from traditional marketing? Well, the key difference is in the approach. Traditional marketing, like print, television, and radio, is like casting a wide net and hoping to catch some fish. You put out your message and wait for responses. On the other hand, digital marketing is far more targeted. It's like a homing missile, zeroing in on the people most likely to be interested in what you're offering. It does this through the use of data and analytics, tracking user behavior online and customizing the marketing message to fit their interests and needs. Moreover, digital marketing is not just about pushing out messages, it's also about engaging with customers, listening to their feedback, and building relationships with them. It's a two-way street with communication flowing both ways. Another critical aspect of digital marketing is its cost-effectiveness. It allows even small businesses with tight budgets to reach a global audience, something that was nearly impossible with traditional marketing methods. So, in a nutshell, digital marketing is all about utilizing the internet and other digital media to market your product or service. It's the art and science of reaching out to your customers in the right place at the right time with the right message. It's an exciting and ever-evolving field with endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now that we know what digital marketing is, let's delve into its components. Digital marketing is a multifaceted beast, comprised of various components that work together to create a cohesive strategy that reaches and engages with your target audience. First up is search engine optimization, or SEO. In layman's terms, SEO is all about making your website more visible to the algorithms that govern search engine results. It's like a game of hide and seek, only instead of hiding, you're doing everything you can to be found. Next, we have content marketing, the bedrock of any digital marketing strategy. Content marketing is all about creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Think of it as a way to start a conversation with your audience without actually talking to them directly. Then there's social media marketing. It's pretty much exactly what it sounds like, marketing your business through social media platforms. It's a way to meet your audience where they already spend a lot of their time, making it a highly effective component of digital marketing. Pay-per-click advertising, better known as PPC, is another key component. Essentially, you pay a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. It's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn them organically. Email marketing is all about connecting with your audience in their inbox. It allows you to build relationships with potential customers, keep current customers informed and updated on your brand, and offer coupons to encourage customer loyalty. Lastly, we have mobile marketing. With the rise of smartphones and other mobile devices, this component targets audiences through avenues like SMS, MMS, email, social media, and apps. It's all about reaching your audience on their devices in a relevant and personal way. Each component of digital marketing plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of your online marketing strategy. So to get the most out of your efforts, it's important to understand how each one works and how they can be used together to create a comprehensive, effective strategy. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But how exactly does digital marketing work? The magic of digital marketing lies in its ability to connect businesses with the right people, at the right time, in the right place. This is done through various digital channels, each offering unique ways to interact with potential customers. Let's take a journey through the digital marketing landscape. Our first stop is the creation of buyer personas. Imagine you're a business trying to sell a product or service. You need to know who your customers are, what they need, and how they behave online. So you create a buyer persona, a detailed description of your ideal customer. This includes demographic information, interests, online habits, and even the problems they face that your product or service can solve. Once you have your buyer personas, you can start tailoring your content to meet their needs. This brings us to our second stop, content creation. Imagine you're a business that sells eco-friendly cleaning products. One of your buyer personas might be environmentally conscious homemakers, so you create blog posts, videos, and social media posts about the benefits of using eco-friendly products, tips on sustainable living, and even DIY recipes for homemade cleaning solutions. But creating great content is only part of the journey. You need to deliver it to your audience. This is where our third stop, digital channels, comes into play. These can be anything from your business's website and email newsletters to social media platforms and paid advertisements. Each channel has its own unique way of delivering your content to your audience. For instance, you might use search engine optimization to make your blog posts appear in search results when someone looks up eco-friendly cleaning tips. Or you might use social media advertising to promote your latest products to people who have shown interest in sustainable living. Simply put, digital marketing works by using digital channels to promote your products or services to the right people at the right time. It's about understanding your audience, creating valuable content that meets their needs, and delivering it through the most effective channels. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. You may be wondering, why is digital marketing so important? Well, let's delve into that. It's like the old saying goes, if a tree falls in a forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? In the same way, if you have a fantastic product or service but no one knows about it, does it really matter? Digital marketing acts as that megaphone, amplifying your voice so it reaches the right people at the right time. And it's not just about shouting into the void, it's about having meaningful conversations. Through social media, emails, and other digital channels, businesses can engage with their audience in real time, answering questions, solving problems, and building relationships. It's this two-way interaction that fosters trust and loyalty, ultimately driving more conversions. But it's not just about the here and now. Digital marketing is the gift that keeps on giving. It allows businesses to track and analyze their campaigns in real time. With every click, share, and like, businesses gain valuable insights about their customers, who they are, what they like, and how they behave. This data can then be used to refine future campaigns, ensuring they hit the mark every time. Moreover, digital marketing provides an impressive return on investment. Traditional marketing methods can be costly and their results hard to measure. In contrast, digital marketing allows businesses to reach a larger and more targeted audience at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, every penny counts, and digital marketing gives you more bang for your buck. So, you see, digital marketing is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can propel your business into the future. It's about being where your customers are, understanding them, and providing value. In an ever-evolving digital world, digital marketing is not just important, it's essential. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's summarize what we've learned about digital marketing. We started our journey by understanding what digital marketing is all about. It's the practice of connecting with customers in the online space, using a range of strategies and channels to deliver effective marketing messages. It's about reaching out to people where they're spending most of their time these days, online. We then explored the key components of digital marketing. Remember, it's not just about one thing. It's a mix of various strategies like search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and so much more. Each component has its own unique role, and when used together, they form a powerful strategy that can take your business to new heights. Next, we delved into how digital marketing works. It's not a magic trick, but a systematic process. It starts with setting clear objectives, identifying your target audience, creating engaging content, and then using different digital channels to distribute that content. The goal is to engage customers, build relationships, and ultimately drive sales. We also highlighted why digital marketing is so important in today's world. In this digital age, having an online presence is no longer optional. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience, track their performance, and adapt their strategies in real time. It's a cost-effective way to engage with customers on a deeper level and stay competitive in the market. But remember, digital marketing is a vast field and there's always more to learn. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and consider how you can leverage digital marketing to achieve your goals. It's an exciting journey, and the possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn. We've covered a lot of ground today, but it's just the beginning. There's a whole world of digital marketing out there waiting for you to discover. So dive in, start exploring, and see where this journey takes you. Remember, the key to success in digital marketing lies in continuous learning and adaptation. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.